Welcome to Knowledge channel, and in this video we will be discussing about design thinking concept along with Six Sigma, which has been implemented in Airbnb company for implementing the human-centric quality using the design thinking to standardize the host excellence globally. So this is what is all about in Airbnb. So today we will, and along with this, we will be having a short video of our students inside the class how the design thinking is useful in many different industries, and then I will come back with something how this Airbnb is also going to use the Six Sigma along with this design thinking concept in order to implement the human centric quality. So let's go and let's discuss the let's see the students discussions and come back again. Yes.
Okay, in this video, we will be discussing about the DT concept. Really very happy to have you all for this session. To introduce myself, I am Dr. C. Uday Shankar, working as professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at SNS College of Technology. And so today, in this video related with DT, along with it, we'll be discussing about the case study as well, related with Titan. So how the jewelry market was introduced and how it improved drastically because of the DT concept. So this is what the discussion is all about. And before going into the session, can you just introduce yourself one by one, yes, to the audience?
Okay, sir. Myself, K. Nityanandan, second MBA, SNS College of Engineering. My specialization marketing and finance.
Yes.
My name is Danish. I currently pursuing SNS College of Engineering MBA. My specialization is HR marketing.
Yes.
I am done study MBA at SNS College of Engineering. My specialization is HR and finance.
So really a very nice introduction you have given, and very happy of having you in this session discussion. Okay, and to start with, let us introduce the DT concepts, and then we will move on with the case study things and other things.
Okay, sir.
So can you just tell me what is this DT concept is all about?
Sir,
To the audience.
Sir, human control approach and introducing the problem solving.
So actually, design thinking is nothing but it is a human-centered approach. As well, it enhances the innovation as well as the problem-solving capability. So this is what the DT is all about. Yes, it's a very nice thing to understand. And can you just tell me what are the different stages? What are the different stages in DT? Yes.
It's a 5 stages. Empathy is defined identity, protocol, prototype, text.
So totally there are 5 stages in this DT actually. So the first one is empathize. Yes, the first one is empathize, and the second one is define, and the third one is ideate, and fourth one is prototype, and finally we'll be moving with the testing. So these are the different 5 stages. So if we do implement this particular design thinking concept stage by stage in almost all the projects, we will be getting a better quality as well as enhanced power flow in executing the project. So this is what the DT's outcome is all about. So we have discussed about the different stages in DT as well as what is DT is all about. So now we will go on to the real-time applications. So can you just tell me some of the list of companies, MNC companies which are using this particular DT concept? Yes, please, to the audience.
Some of the MNC companies which are using design thinking, Airbnb, then Bank of America, GE Healthcare, PepsiCo, Netflix, Amazon, etc.
So she has given a wide range of companies which are using this particular DT concept, and also I think the audience will be more interested in knowing what are the different Indian companies that are implementing this particular DT concept. Can you just introduce the companies, Indian companies which are using this DT concept?
Sir, Tata Motors, Zomato, Titan, Jio, Bank of Baroda.
So many lists are there, and you have given top-notch companies, the list which are using this particular DT concept in India. And I think the audience has been well introduced with the importance of this DT concept. And today in this video, as we have already, I have already told that in this video we will be discussing about a case study related with Titan. Is it right? So Titan, the other name is also called as Tanishq. Is it Titan? They have wide range of products, whereas this Tanishq is nothing but it is going to concentrate only on the jewelry products. Is it right? So hope you're all very well aware of this Tanishq. So Tanishq is actually a Titan based company actually. And can you just give me some history related to the Titan, how it started and all about? Yes.
Titan, early 1990s, the Indian jewelries market was highly unorganized. Customer fear that the gold they bought we not and pure and promised.
Yes. So the main actually it is a very old thing. It started in the year 1990.
90.
So Indian jewelry market at that time it was highly unorganized actually. It was unorganized, and because of which the customer they had a lot of fear in their mind whether whatever gold they have brought are really actually it is a very pure or authenticated. So these things are very much bothering them. Okay, this is the main issue actually. And can you just focus on much on this issue actually? Yes, please.
The issues were faced by Tanishq is about lack of trust and transparency in their traditional jewelries buying process.
So the traditional jewelry, in the sense that is older techniques of buying this jewelry, it had lack of trust and transparency. This is the main issue. So she has given the right thing related to the issue of what is all about and what we have to resolve actually. And in order to solve this particular issue, we have implemented the DT concept. And how the DT concept has been implemented in order to overcome this particular issue. Can you just elaborate on this to the audience?
Sir, yes, sir. Titan is also called as a Tanishq. Sir, it realized the core net value, just the purity jewel, but assurance the introducing the carat meter, the first non-gold purity testing machine in India, directly in the showroom.
So what is actually the DT concept, this particular DT, what they did is they just found that the peoples, they are not in need of jewelry. Pretty jewelry is not much needed. They always look at this jewelry as a investment actually. So they need assurance. So in order to have a better assurance, they need some meter. So this particular DT solution made them to introduce a new meter which is called as a carat meter into the most of the showrooms, and because of which the trust has been enhanced, and because of which the jewelry market also was booming, and it reached the top notch across the world actually. So, and can you just elaborate on what are the results we have achieved because of this particular?
The human-centered transparency completed distribute the enter jewelry industries to move towards hall marketing and standard pricing marketing, and then in Indian most trustable jewelry brand.
Yes. So really, he has given that. So this particular base has given to the next level. That is by introducing the hallmark concepts as well as by giving more standardization. So this particular thing has given assurance, trust, transparency to the customers, jewelry customers, and because of which the jewelry market has enhanced and boomed to this particular level, and because of which the jewelry market has gone to the peak actually. So really, we had a very nice discussion in today's video related with the DT concept, as well as how this DT concept has been introduced in many of the industries, what are the different industries that are implementing it. As well, we have discussed about the case studies related to the Titan actually. And yes, can you please just brief on what we have discussed until then?
I'm going to summarize about this section. Starting, we detailed about design thinking, then 5 stages of design thinking, which MNC companies are using design thinkings like Airbnb, Bank of America, GE Healthcare, like that. And then Indian companies also using design thinking, which are Titan, Geo, Bank of Baroda, Tata Motors. And our case study is all about Titan, which is called as Tanishq.
So nice, really very happy we have done this, come to the end of this particular session, and I'm really very thankful to all of you actually in order to contributing for this particular video. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome back. So we saw the discussion related with Six Sigma design thinking. Our students have explained a very neat explanation. So now we will discuss about how this DT concept is being implemented in the Airbnb actually. So this video, for example, how this Airbnb balances the unpredictable nature of human hospitality with the predictable standards of Six Sigma. So this is what we are going to discuss. So actually, it is a perfect example of using DT to create a standard for something as subjective as excellence. See, for example, in a global marketplace where every product is a unique home, Airbnb faces ultimate challenge how to standardize excellence without losing the human touch. So to solve this, Airbnb integrates design thinking with Six Sigma to create a high fidelity host excellence framework. The process began with the emphasize phase where Airbnb designers story mapped the entire guest journey from the first search to the final checkout to identify critical to quality moments that define a five-star stay. So, by defining quality not just as a clean room, but as a feeling of belonging. They moved into analyze phase using data from millions of reviews to identify the root causes of negative experiences. To improve the global consistency, they implemented the Superhost program, a massive Pocoyoke error proofing system that provides hosts with digital checklists and automated standard operating procedures to ensure quality at scale. So, in the control phase, Airbnb utilizes real time statistical process control via their review algorithms to monitor the sigma level to host the performance. This synergy of empathy led design and lean discipline allows Airbnb to maintain a reliable premium brand across millions of diverse locations, proving that even hospitality can be measured, optimized, and perfected through the data driven lens. So thank you. Really very happy that I've shared some knowledge with you related with design thinking concepts and Six Sigma, and also the Airbnb example of how they implemented. So if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, you can give the comments. And if you want to share this particular video to some other friends who will be benefited, please share it. And if you really like the videos which I post on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and give me a support. So thank you very much. Thank you.